4-month resub. Let's play E4 again. But there's also a second problem as well, which is that Magnus's account is not it's not clear sometimes whether it's Magus tweeting or it's other people tweeting, because like Magus isn't the only person who tweets on that account, so it's very tricky. Like it's either Magus Carlsen or Magnus Barstaff, but we don't know who's tweeting from his Twitter account. That's the problem. The sniper guy here just Naka. Sniper guy here just for Naka. Good one. Okay. Okay, bro. I think you're Endeavor attending for the 8 months. Let's go here and hit the pawn on E5. That's a good username. That's Castle. Social media, I almost never actually do social media myself. Just like, I know there are a lot of people who get angry at me over YouTube, but like, I record the videos, but like, I don't do the titles, I don't do any of the tags or any of that stuff. My team does that. So when Magnus chooses to like go after me wildly, like he's acting as though I'm doing this like personally, like considering that he doesn't tweet half the things from his account, it's just very strange that suddenly he's going to go after me when he's literally has a team that manages his accounts most of the time. Okay, he goes there. I'm going to play knight g6 and take the rook on h8 here. Is he wrong about watches, though? I mean, if those are the rules, he's not wrong. But your name, your responsibility. Okay, dude. Cool story. Like, yes. I mean, if my team tries to make a joke and they rhyme losing and accusing, like, fine. I mean, whatever. If people want to be like that, fine. I have no issue if people want to like be unhappy about those things. But at the end of the day, if people want to be unhappy about the issue, then focus the attention on everybody and not just on one person. Like, literally, like, that's the problem with the chess world these days. Everyone gets outraged about this, that, and the other thing, but it's not really about the issue. It's just a chance to take shots at people. The perfect example is, like, the poker thing. Like, when Hans made that big tweet about poker, if, like, it really was about poker being bad and promoting it, then everybody should have been angry at me, obviously. They should have been angry at Levy. They should have been angry at Eric Rosen, because it shouldn't be acceptable, period. But, of course, that's not what happened, because it wasn't really about the issue itself. It was more a chance to take shots at the Botez sisters. So, like, yeah, I mean, I mean, like, it's just a bit too much. Let's just take here. Let's go queen g7, keep the pressure alive here. Should be winning pretty soon. Okay, let's just take the pawn on e5 here, play bishop f4. Actually, no, let's go back here, because now I can play bishop f4. I can also go e5 to open up both of the scopes here. Let's go here, hit the queen, and now it's GG, why not, very soon. No draws, my friend, no draws. No draws. I could take a draw. I mean, it's unrated, right? There are only 13 seconds left, so he's gonna run the clock down. Yeah, he's gonna run the clock down. Yeah. Should I be nice? Okay, let's give him the draw. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. That's funny. All right, you guys. So that's the end of the arena. We end up getting 46 points, 13 out.